my user is starting up a new project, so I'm going to click Create New Project, and that will lead me to this next screen, where I'll be able to type in the project name, choose my start point. So I would say this is with the idea that I could go into a design session having already done an empathy map and an as-is scenario. So I want to start from the next point. So I can say I've currently done an as-is scenario, so I'm going to start from there and click that. I can add a start and end time, team members, and the end goal is the same as the start. I'll pick where I want to get up to. So I could say I want to get up to paper prototypes and enter that in here. And then I'll click Generate My Project, and that will take me to this page, which gives me a schedule for that, an automated schedule for this project. So I've said I want to start on an empathy map and I want to get to my to-be, and I've allocated this amount of time for the process, so it's segmented that out. So in each of these, the idea is that you'll be able to run through this, and the app would also help you keep time, as you'll see on the next page. So I can say, okay, everyone's arrived and we're ready to go, so I want to start the project, which will take us to here. So the first activity is the empathy map. It gives us some notes on the empathy map, tells you what to do, and has a big green button to tell you go. So I've explained to everyone what an empathy map is, and I click go. The timer pops up and starts counting down, and it'll tell you the section that you're supposed to be working on, whether you're supposed to be working in silence or discussing. And then once that timer's counted down and it's time for the playback, I can click this button to record the playback, and I can film the person recording either with audio or video. And yeah, so then from there, how did we get to the next screen? Did we have a button? I can't remember.
I think it's when it's finished, isn't it? When the timer's down.
Well, yeah, okay. Once the timer's ran out, it automatically went to the review screen, which gives you your playback recording, and you're able to take photos of all of your post-its and add any notes from that activity. And then once you click save in here, once you're happy with everything, that'll take you back to your schedule, where this will have hopefully changed colour to tell you you've completed the activity, and you'll be able to click next step and work through each of your activities that way. Then once you've finished your activities, you can click export, which will take you to here, and we'll have a nice preview of all of your photos, all of your playbacks, and all of your notes, and you'll be able to export that as a PDF, an email, or add it to communities, connections. And then once you're happy with all of that, you can export it, send it to your team, and they'll all get the notification that with all the useful information that you've done in your session on it, hopefully. And that was our paper prototype.